I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody. Hey.
What is up? What's poppin'? What's really good though? It's your girl Kathiana and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, you're gonna watch how I clean my skin almost on a daily basis. Now, this routine that I do is for all skin types. Whether you have dry skin, combination skin, normal skin, or oily skin, all the things that I'm doing is a really good routine for any type of skin that you have. So it's not really directed to a certain type of skin. You know what I mean? But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications on. Alright you guys, now that I'm done washing my hands, I am going to go ahead and use my Aveeno foaming cleanser. And the first thing I do is I apply it to my face with my hands just to get the lather going. And then after that, I use my scrub brush. Now I'm going to put a little bit on my scrub brush, but here you see I put a whole bunch on there, and then I went ahead and made a whole mess. As you can see, the cleanser is just flying all over the place. I'm like, oh great. But the good thing about a cleansing brush is that it's an effective method because you'll get a much more effective and thorough cleanse than when you're using your fingers. But you definitely don't want to be using it too often. I usually use my scrub brush at least twice a week just to get a good cleanse. But if you use it too much, you will end up breaking out, just so you know. And also, you'll be able to get an even deeper cleanse, which will help get rid of the extra dirt, debris, and the oil. So that's definitely a good benefit of using the scrub brush. So now I washed off all of the cleanser off my face. And now I am going to use a paper towel and just pat dry my face. I stay away from using a towel because a towel carries bacteria. So now I am going to use my face steamer that I got off of Amazon, and I just love this face steamer. It is so awesome. And I usually use my face steamer for at least 5 minutes straight, and I do this for twice a week, and I face steam my face before I apply a face mask. And face steaming is a great way to open up your pores, and it's also a great way to remove blackheads and helps clear up acne and pimples. And it does this by killing acne-causing bacteria and sheds dead skin cells that clog up the pores. And it's also great at increasing circulation by encouraging blood flow and delivering oxygen to the veins in the face, which in turn helps give you that healthy glowing skin and makes you look younger, which we all want that benefit. Face steaming just makes me feel like I'm in paradise. So awesome. Alright, so now I'm going to apply my favorite face mask, which is the Bentonite Clay. And if you don't know about Bentonite Clay, I am telling you that is the best face mask for any type of skin that you have. Whether you have normal skin, combination skin, oily skin, or normal skin, doesn't matter what your skin type is. It definitely works for every skin type, and it's really great at detoxifying your skin and removing all the heavy metals. So it's definitely great to use on your face. And I usually would do the powdered clay mask, the one where you make yourself, but recently I just found out that they have them in the little squeeze bottles that I just showed you. So now I just use that instead, because it's definitely way more effective and easier and a quicker way to just put my face mask on my face. And I find it easier to put the face mask using a brush instead of my fingers as well. So you always want to take your time and just make sure you get it all over your face and not on your eyes or too close to your eyes, of course. And I'm just applying a generous amount, not just lightly and not too much. Because when it dries, it's definitely gonna dry. And it's gonna be not hard to take off, but it's gonna be enough to do what it's meant to do. So you don't have to put a whole bunch of it on your face, just a little bit, because it's definitely heavy and sticks to your face really good.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty.
Yes, guys, I am all finished. Now I'm going to take my washcloth and then I am going to take off the mask. And I'm using warm water because it's a good temperature to just really take it off easily. And it's much more effective taking the mask off with the washcloth than it is with using your hands, because when you use your hands, it's gonna take a lot longer. And your girl ain't got time for all that. Alright, now that my face is all squeaky clean, I'm going to move on to the next step. So now I'm going to be applying my toner, and I use Rosewater as well as apple cider vinegar, and I mix those two in a empty little spray bottle, and then I spray it onto the cotton rounds and apply it to my face. Now, a toner is a really great way to remove oil from the skin, and it's really hydrating and can help remove dead skin off the surface of your skin. And it can be used 1 to 2 times a day. And the great benefits of Rosewater is it's good for acne and pimples. It's good for dry skin if you have dry skin. If you have problems with, bags under your eyes, it's good for that. It's good for anti-aging. And you can even use a toner to remove your makeup if you don't want to use the makeup wipes, because makeup wipes carry the chemicals in them. So now I'm just applying a little bit of chapstick, because I like to make sure my lips are nice and good. And now I'm going to put on the moisturizer. And that's definitely the most important step in your skincare routine. You don't want to use lotion, but you do want to make sure you use moisturizer. And you want to make sure that your skin is moisturized after you're done cleaning, because when you're done cleaning your face, it can get dry. And if you don't use a moisturizer, then you're going to end up breaking out. So that's definitely important to keep in mind. And bam, there you have it, folks. That's my skin after I'm done with my skincare routine. Nice and lovely. All right, folks. See you later.